Hi everyone, my name is Allison Craddock and I'm the director of the IGS Central Bureau. Since I realize we only have a couple more moments, I will be brief. On behalf of the entire Central Bureau, welcome. I'm not the only person there, so I would ask everyone else from the Central Bureau, please stand up and wave. Information system person, and Dave Stowers over there also helps out. So feel free to ask any of us if you have any questions. If you have any complaints, you can bring them to me. Just quickly, in your lovely packets, you will have received a code of conduct. It's pretty self-explanatory, but we like to make sure that we have some guidelines so we can all stay friends and good colleagues. On that note, it's been 6 years since we've seen each other, and yeah, it's nice to see some old friends, and it's nice to see some new faces. So if it's your first in-person IGS workshop, raise your hand. That's a lot. Now everybody else, take a look around. Keep your hands up. Now everyone else, my friends, find one of these people with their hands raised and introduce yourself to them. Make friends. This is why we're here. We have a good time. And so finally, my thanks to our local organizers. These events are not easy to put on. There's a lot of little things to organize, so many thanks to Rolf and his team. This has been a wonderful thing to be able to participate in the planning of. It's kind of our little family reunion. So I would just like to, let's give our local organizers a round of